Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I am unboxing a Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and its pre-order bonus, which is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. First, let's open the Galaxy Buds Live. Let's check the small box first. And it contains the charging cables and extra rubber tips. Next, we have the Galaxy Buds Live. Next, let's open the Galaxy Watch 5. First, let's see what's in the small box. We got the charging cable, then some documentations. Next, we got the watch. Next, I'll be testing the included cable for the watch. Nice, the charger is magnetized. Next, I'll try charging the watch using my Samsung wireless charger Duo. Since the strap is pushing the watch, I can't charge it, but I can feel that there is a magnet. Next, I'll try charging the Galaxy Buds Live. It looks like it has magnets to align with the wireless charger, but it's very weak. Next, I'll try removing the strap and charge it using the wireless charger Duo. The magnet is strong. After looking it up, finally I'll show you how to charge the watch without removing the strap. Simply flip the strap as shown and put it on the charger. You don't have to do this if you are using the charger that's included with the watch. It's been a few months since I got them, so here's an update. For the watch, I frequently use the music controls to play, pause, and change the music. It is also handy that I can adjust the setting of my Galaxy Buds, which I hope this feature also extends to other brands, like the Sony headphones. I also observed that the battery can last up to 3 days, but I think this depends on which features you enable. If I use the GPS of the watch, it easily drains the battery and sometimes it feels warm. I only tried it for a few hours and it already used about 5 to 10% of the battery, so I always have this turned off. Initially, I was disappointed since it's just a few days of getting the watch and the magnetic buckle already has a lot of scratches. So I asked myself, is the watch really fragile? The watch was over 20,000 pesos, so I expected more. But the next day, I observed that the scratches were gone. So I think it has some sort of self-healing paint, which dispelled my disappointment. For the earphones, I frequently use it on calls or conferences, listening to music, and watching YouTube videos. If I'm on calls or conferences straight, the battery lasts for about 3 hours, and for about 5 hours when playing music or videos. Now, I prefer using this over my Sony WF-1000 XM4 because it automatically switches to which device I am using. And it's really handy since I frequently switch between my phone and tablet. On the Sony, I have to manually go to the Bluetooth settings to connect to the headphones if I switch devices. My only complaint is that the finish is glossy, which make it a fingerprint magnet, and I think the scratches are more obvious. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.